Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Adding pictures can make your presentations more interesting and engaging. Now you can insert a picture from a file on your computer onto any slide. Now to insert a picture from a file, select the Insert tab, then click Pictures command, and a dialog box will appear. Now locate and select the desired image file, then click Insert. The picture will appear on the currently selected slide. So here it is, and I will resize it. Now you can also click the Pictures command in a placeholder to insert images. So let's say like I have a new blank slide. So I'll click New over here. So over here we have the Pictures command. Here it is. So you can click on it and insert a picture if I want. Click Insert and it will be inserted in your slide. Now let's look at moving and resizing pictures. Once you've inserted a picture, you might want to move it to a different location on the slide or change its size. Now PowerPoint makes it easy to arrange pictures in your presentation. So first, to select a picture, just simply click on it to select it. So you just click on it and it will be selected. Now to resize a picture, click and drag the corner sizing handles. This one can make it larger or bigger if you want. So that's how you resize. Now the corner sizing handles will resize a picture while preserving its original aspect ratio. Now if you use the side sizing handles, the image will become distorted. Now you'll notice that if I resize using the corner handles, it will maintain its ratio, but if I use the side, it becomes distorted. Now let's look at rotating a picture. Just click and drag the arrow above the image, this one, to rotate it. So you can rotate it to any degree that you want. That's how you rotate an image in PowerPoint. So I'll let it to do that. Now to move a picture, just click and drag to move a picture to a new location. So just click and drag. You can place it anywhere you want in your slide. Now let's look at deleting a picture. If you want to delete a picture, just select the picture you want to delete, then press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. If you press the delete key, it will be deleted. Let's undo that. Ctrl Z. If I click the backspace key, it will be deleted. Now let's look at inserting screenshots. Now PowerPoint makes it easy to insert a screenshot of an entire window or screen clipping of a part of a window in your presentation. Now to insert screenshots of a window, just go to the Insert tab, then click the Screenshot command. Now the available windows from your desktop will appear. Now select the window that you want to capture as a screenshot. So let's say I want to include my File Explorer, so I'll click on it and it will be added. Here it is. As you can see, it's an exact replica of what I have over here. To insert a screen clipping, again go to the Insert tab, then click the Screenshot command and from here select Screen Clipping. Then you can clip, this will appear, then clip out the part that you want. So I'll clip out this part and it will be inserted. Here it is. So this was the first one and this is the screen clipping.